Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We are so excited to have you again. A lot has been happening in the southeastern part of Nigeria, and just like it was said by and Igbo, that it's almost rendering the area or the region a theater of war. There is heavy presence of military there and heavy presence of police. All is towards seeing how they can combat the activities of bandits, the activities of known gunmen, and all of that. But right now, the and Igbo and also IPOB is giving a nod to the military for the start of kickstarting airstrike in Imo State. Yesterday, there were some videos that were actually viral, pointing to the fact that airstrike has started again in the southeastern part of Nigeria, which most people are totally uncomfortable with. Because whenever you are doing such a thing, you may not know who it may hit. You understand? Innocent people may suffer hurt and all of that. But we are going to talk to you about what Ohanes and Igbo have to say, and also IPOB, Ohanes and Igbo and IPOB. But before we do all of that, we'd like to encourage you to be subscribed to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you can get notification anytime we publish our videos. According to the news, Igbo social political group Ohaneze and the indigenous people of Biafra have kicked against the resumption of a strike in the Imo State by security operatives. There was panic in Imo State on Friday as security operatives resumed a strike in the state. The military bombardment was reported to have been initiated against those terrorizing the state. The strike, which took place in Amuzi and Odenkwame community in the Ihite Uboma local government area and some neighboring communities in the Ihite Uboma local government of the state, caused the natives to flee their homes. An indigene of the area said, and I quote, he said, there is an ongoing military airstrike in Odenkwame and Amuzi community in Obowo and their neighboring communities in Ihite/Uboma local government area. They have continued to attack the communities in search of gunmen suspected to be ESN, that's Eastern Security Network members, thereby putting the people of the area in fear. Just a few minutes ago, I got a call from my brother and other family members to inform me of what is going on in my community. There is a heavy downpour now that temporary suspended a strike continued in Odukwame. When contacted, the commissioner of police in the state, Abutu Yaro, said that he knew nothing about military activities. According to him, he said, I don't know anything about military activities in the state. I only know that of police. Efforts to get the comment of the spokesperson for the 34 Artillery Brigade Command, Obenze Oweri Babatunde Zabaru, prove abortive. Though he promised to get back to our correspondent, he has yet to do so as of the time of filing this report. But the spokesperson for Hannes and Igbo, Alex Ogbena, told our correspondent that he was against the ongoing military operation in the southeast, saying there was no peculiar reason for a concentrated military operation in the zone. According to Ugbena, the insecurity in Southeast and the South-South zone is not different from what is happening in the Northeast and other parts of the country. He said, and I quote, he said, there is nothing special happening in the Southeast and the South-South zone that is peculiar compared to what is happening in other parts of the country. Hannes Ndibo has already issued a press statement on this, that we are against the arrest of our youths without any justifiable reason by the military. Also, the indigenous people of Biafra kick against the military airstrike, saying the federal government has declared war on Biafra by resuming its military operation in the southeast. The group stated this in a statement by its director of media and publicity, Ma Powerful, which was made available on Friday. And the statement reads in part, just 2 days ago, the Inspector General of Police, while launching a special police operation for the Southeast called Operation Restore Peace in Enugu, confirmed the people's fear when he asked police personnel not to wait for any other special order before they start killing protesters and anyone confronting them in the zone. He specifically directed them to ensure they eliminate anyone suspected to be a Biafran agitator or IPOB member and not to bother bringing them to police station anymore. According to him, he said there are so many security challenges in the north where the rampaging Boko Haram and bandits have seized the control of many communities and the local government area, yet there is no shoot-on-sight order declared by the double-faced Buhari-led federal government. Southeast and South-South are not at war with anybody, but Fulani, supported by the Nigerian government, brought war into our land, killing innocent people while pointing accusing fingers at IPOB members and ESN operative. And this has triggered a lot of responses from Nigerians, and you'll be so shocked what people are saying. And this one here says, this is totally unacceptable. I saw some videos yesterday, and it was as if Southeast is now a place of war. This one here says, the story we have been hearing from South, and Southeast is not as terrible as what is happening in the northern part of Nigeria. Why don't they go to plateau the communities that these Fulani headsmen have seized from their host and recover it for them than staying here in the Southeast? This one says, who started all these things? Is it not these Fulani people who came with their cows and wanted to send us packing from our communities? What did we really do that had caused these people to continue to hit on us so strong? Is it all about being an Igbo person that is behind this? Another one here says, our governors are the cause. We cannot blame the military at this point. The governors invited them. They don't go to where you don't invite them. The governors are the one causing this. Just to show you that the governors in the north care more about their people. Us here do not even know how to sit on the round table and resolve issues for us. Another one said, this is a way of sending signals to the international community that all is not well in Nigeria. I hope everybody knows that international community, they are taking note of all of these. Very soon, I know after 2023, that the current IGP will have to face the international community on these. All right, looking at most of the comments Nigerians have issued out, I feel at this point that peace is important. The governors can talk to their people. There's a way you sit with your people and you draw up conclusions. I know that the governor of Ebonyi State have been trying to do that, because I could still remember, if you check our feed, you're going to see the news where he was demanding from IPOB that and other aggrieved, groups in the Southeast that they should pin down what their expectations are and give them 6 months to go in and talk with the presidency and see how they can resolve it. And but then what is going on is I perceive that some of these things have been hijacked by people who are waiting for opportunities like this. IPOB may not be the one doing all of ESN, may not be the one, but some group of persons who do not want peace to be in Southeast are the one doing this. They hijack the whole thing called agitation of IPOB from them and begin to do all of this just to ensure that they continue to make Southeast very tense. I feel that the Southeast governors have a duty here, and that duty is for them to call for a ceasefire and go to the presidency and see how this issue can be addressed amicably. Know that whatever we are talking about leadership, 2023, everything is over. You will now have to face your people. It will be very absurd when you don't have to see your own brother and talk to him one-on-one because of the hurt you've done him. Let's just see how this can be handled internally. Those who are behind, see how you can even strengthen the ESN and also IPOB and whatever other group, vigilantes, on how to fight against this unknown government, because we do not even know if this unknown government are, Fulani men. I could still remember some time ago that it was Fulani men who were caught, northerners. They were the ones that were caught, who were part of, that team going around to plague, trouble, to bring trouble in the southeast by burning police stations and all of that. All of that needs to be addressed.